Make room for Javi.
It's time to assemble Agrifab 85-pound tow broadcast spreader, because we're going to seed the lawn. Simple enough. Burn pile. Back on December 1st of 2018, I bought a broadcast spreader and spread 150 pounds of ryegrass seed. I did some research, and while this grass should only last until April, at least it'll give us a somewhat green lawn throughout the winter months. After the final move, I'll be able to dedicate the time and resources necessary to maintain a proper lawn under the shade of the oak trees. Until then, this is my alternate plan. Enjoy the grass. After only 2 weeks, the grass took, and boy did it look beautiful. At least in the patches where I spread it.
Make room for Javi.